Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download the official Windows 1126 H2 ISO and perform a clean installation on your PC. First, open your web browser and go to the official Microsoft Windows Insider Preview download page. Sign in with your Microsoft account if needed, then choose the Windows 11 Insider Preview Multi-Edition ISO for 64-bit devices. Select your preferred language and download the ISO file to your computer. Next, create a bootable USB drive. Download the latest portable version of Rufus and open it. Insert an empty USB flash drive with at least 8 GB of storage. In Rufus, click Select, choose the Windows 1126 H2 ISO you downloaded, and leave the partition scheme set to GPT and the target system set to UEFI non-CSM. Click Start to create the bootable USB. If your PC does not support TPM or Secure Boot or has less RAM than required, Rufus also gives you the option to bypass those checks before the process begins. Before installing Windows, back up any important files, photos, or documents from your system's C drive because a clean installation will erase everything on that drive. Once you're ready, leave the USB drive connected and restart your computer. As it starts, repeatedly press your manufacturer's boot menu key, then select the USB drive from the list. Windows Setup will open, and you can follow the on-screen instructions to delete the existing Windows partition if needed and install a fresh copy of Windows 1126 H2 on your computer. Thanks for watching.